email writing. I hope you all in this technical world, now all the people are using this way to connect with each other, to connect with other countries, to connect with the whole universe. The people are using this way, email. Email is actually a short form. What is the full form of email? Full form of email is electronic mail. Here I have explained in the definition. So afterward, whenever I am going to tell you the definition, at that time I will show you this word that email is the short form and full form of the email is electronic mail, through which the people can share their ideas and experience towards others. And thus email is the fastest means of communication. ये सबसे fastest communication level हम कह सकते हैं, through which you can share your things to other. But before proceeding, let me ask you one question, that what is actually an email? What is an email? Question arises in all the people's mind. Already you are knowing that it is one kind of message that we can send to other. But this is a different types of message, not this is the type what we have done in the mobile phones. So here I have given specific definition of it. An email or electronic mail, email is the short form, electronic mail is the full form, is a system which enables us to convey our ideas, that can give us the chance to express our ideas and share our experiences with others. We can share our experience, we can share our ideas, we can share our thoughts, we can share our attachments to others through email. It is one of the fastest way of communication. If you want to send message in very hurry to other person, to another country, definitely you can share through email. So that's why email is the fastest means of communication to talk. You can even send a message in a mass population, means आप एक साथ बहुत सारे लोगों को मेल भी कर सकते हो. So here in this video I am going to explain some of the tips that you will have to keep in your mind while you are writing email. So these tips you will have to follow whenever you are going to write that email writing in examination. According to that or according to that order only you will have to write the email. जो भी मैं tips बताने जा रही हूँ वही tips one by one in order you will have to write in the paper. So let me tell you about the tips. So as I have told you that email, I have given the definition on it, the fastest means of communication. Now the question arises in mind that how to write an email. So for proper email, we have to follow some of the tips. If you want to write in a proper manner with the right format, then you will have to follow some of the tips that I am going to give you in this video. So let us start with the tip number 1. Tip number 1 is all about subject. First of all, you will have to write subject in email as you have written the subject in letter. So जैसे आप letter में लिखते हो, just likewise you will have to write subject in email. So how you will have to write subject into the email? So you will have to keep in mind 3 things whenever you are going to write email. First one is that your subject should be brief, means into short words, not even a whole sentence, means subject should be brief. Second thing, give a clue to the content. What does it mean? That means clue means the key you will have to give through the people can understand what actually you are going to explain in the email. जो भी आप explain करने वाले हो उसको short में उसकी एक clue कि ये मैं explain करने वाला हूँ या करने subject in a brief manner. Third thing you will have to keep in your mind is need not to write a complete sentence. Whenever you are going to write email or in which you are suppose going to write subject, there is no need to write a complete sentence. उसमें complete sentence लिखने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. As I have told you that subject should be in brief. Hardly one word, two word or maximum three word. That's it. उससे ज़्यादा आपको आगे लिखना नहीं है. So your subject should be brief. Give a clue to the content and need not to write a complete sentence. This thing you will have to keep in your mind whenever you are going to write subject. Now let us see tip number 2. Tip number 2 is salutation. Now what does it mean? Salutation means like whatever you are writing, dear sir, dear ma'am, respected sir, respected ma'am, all the things when you are explaining them into salutation, so it will be like dear sir or else ma'am. If you are writing professional or to some of the professional person, it's like principal, teacher, then in what way you will have to write salutation? Like respected sir or ma'am. Likewise also you can write. आप कुछ इस तरह भी लिख सकते हो. Other than if you are writing specific name, suppose dear, any of the name to whom you are going to write. So I am going to write here dear Neeta. So whatever the name you are having, you can write down the particular or proper name over here. This is called salutation. इसे हम क्या कहेंगे? Salutation. So these two tips through which we are going to start to write email. Tip 1 is subject. Tip 2 is salutation. Tip number 3. Which is opening statement. Means how you are going to start your email. Opening statement. So in which you will have to take care about 2 points. First one is open with greeting or pleasantry statement. Means you will have to greet the person to whom you are going to write email. I hope you are meant greeting. How are you? Good morning. I hope you all are fit and fine. I hope your health is well. This kind of greeting you will have to send to the particular person whenever you are going to start writing about email. Second thing I just want to tell you about opening statement is, first one already tell you that opening with greeting or pleasantry statement, and second I just want to tell you about it is, and second point when you will have to be careful is, जहाँ पे आपको ये ध्यान रखना है that you will have to thank to other in replying. जब आप किसी को reply दे रहे हो, in replying you will have to say thanks to people. Say thank you. Which kind of sentence here you can use? जैसे कि I have received your mail. Thank you. Likewise sentences you can use. So tip number 1 is subject. Tip number 2 is salutation. Tip number 3 is opening statement, where you will have to greet them. You will have to say thanks to the person who is already sending you the message. Likewise, you can operate your email to write. Okay. So next tip. Now tip number 4 is all about paragraph. Paragraph, you should have to take care about this point, that main concept means उसके लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा, सेपरेट पैराग्राफ, जिसमें आपको रखना है सेपरेट पैरा. It should be separate paragraph, main concept. Second thing, don't use SMS language. It is actually corrupt your original language, so don't use SMS language, and don't use bold alphabets. Don't use bold alphabets. This is the thing you will have to take care about whenever you are writing paragraphs. Tip number 5 is all about complimentary clause. So in complimentary clause, you will have to write like regards, thanks and regards, and afterwards you can write warm regards. So these words you can use in the email whenever you are closing your email. And the second thing you will have to write is the specific person's name to whom you are going to write email. So at the end you will have to write the name. So this is the tips you will have to take care about writing email. ये जो tips है वो आपको use करनी है whenever you are going to write emails. Okay. So now let me show you one sample email. So here you can see the example of email. I have given you the example. According to the tips, I have given the points also, and this is the different parts of the email. So if you are also writing like this in the examination, definitely you will get the good marks. This is the best example I have given you in this video. Likewise, you will have to follow email writing. First of all, in this example video, let me tell you the first thing you will have to write is to whom you are going to write email. That email ID you will have to write in the first line. To means to whom you are going to send email. ये email आप किसको भेजने वाले होते हो? That person's email ID you will have to write here. misspoli@englishunix.com. So one of the student has sent this email to the teacher. As I have tell you that the first thing is subject. It should be brief. वो brief में होना चाहिए, short में. Sick today. Homework question. वो आज बीमार है, उसको homework से related question है. Short में उसने क्या दिया? That's it. It is in 4 words only. 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is called brief subject. इसको हम कहेंगे brief subject. Next is salutation. In tips I have already explained you how you will have to salute to the person to whom you are going to send email is like dear Miss Polly. This is called salutation. Now body of the email means main part, whatever you are going to explain into 2 parts. First is first para and second para. First para is of normal talking and second para is of main concept. I hope you are having a nice week. I am writing to let you know that I am today. So I hope you are having the last week, means nice week you are having, because I am sick, क्योंकि बच्चा बीमार है, so वो स्कूल नहीं गया है. I hope I will be better by tomorrow. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कल तक मैं ठीक हो जाऊंगा, but आज मैं बीमार हूँ तो आज मैं नहीं आया हूँ. Now what he wants to tell the teacher, वो क्या बताना चाहता है? The main concept of the email. यहाँ पे main चीज बताई है. I have a question about our homework. मुझे question related, homework related question है. That is due to today. And is it possible for me to turn it in tomorrow? Is it possible if I have sent that homework tomorrow? If I will come by tomorrow, then I can do that homework. Can you please send me that homework today? I am back whenever I am coming back. So it is possible to me to do that homework if you are sending me. I can also scan the pages and email them today. If you are sending me the homework, then definitely even I can scan that pages, or else the day by tomorrow I can show you. Please let me know which is best. आप मुझे बताओ कौन से तरीके से मैं भेजूं, दूसरे दिन आके बताओ, और else I can scan the page and send it to you in the email today. आज ही भेज दूं. Which way you are liking the most? So question is here raising by the student to the teacher. So he has having this email. Closing part is best regards, thanks and regards, only regards, warm regards. These all word you can use. Here I am using best regards. Signature means the name of the person who is going to write this email. Who is writing here? Rahul Dave. So this is the signature, means the name of the person who is going to send email. So this is the best format of email that you will have to follow. I will send you this pic also. मैं आपको ये पिक भी सेंड करूंगी, एंड अनदर 2 एग्जांपल आई विल शेयर यू. मैं आपको शेयर करूंगी डेफिनेटली 2 और एग्जांपल ऑफ ईमेल राइटिंग. So till then you just refer these, okay, so it will be easy to write in examination. Thank you.